Hello guys, this is Vani from second BCom. Today my topic is about data types in C programming. Purpose of data types in C. Data types used in C language refers to an extensive system that we use to declare values, types of functions or variables in a program. Here on the basis of the types of variable present in program, we determine the space that is occupies in storage along with the way in which the stored bit pattern will be interpreted. A type a data type specifies the type of data that is a variable can store, such as integer, floating, character, etc. There are two types of the data types in C. They are primary data type and fundamental data types. First one is the primary data type. Here are the five primitive and primary data types that one can find in C programming language. There are five types of data types: integer, character, double, floating point, void. First one is the integer. We can use this for storing various whole numbers such as 5, 8, 67, 2390, etc. Second one is the character. It refers to all characters such as well the single alphabets such as X, Y, etc. Third one is the double. This include all types of numeric values that do not come under either floating point data type or integer data type. Visit double data type in C is known more. Fourth one is the floating point. These are refers to all the real numbers values decimal points such as 14.1, 820.673 and 5.9, etc. Various keywords are used in a program for specifying the data types mentioned above. Are the keywords that is we use keywords used int data type integer, float floating point, void, char character, double. Int data type can be 4 bytes and 2 bytes. Remembering the size of the int data types is very easy. Then given size is generally equal to the length of the words of the programs. In other words, int will be 2 bytes and 16 bits in case of an environment that is 16 bits. However, int will be 4 bytes or 32 bits in case on environment that is 32 bit. Second one is the character. Char. Char data type is 1 byte. The size of the char data type is basically 8 bits or 1 byte. No variation will occur with different compilers and interpreters. It means that the type of compiler or procedure used will have no effect on its size whatsoever. Third one is double data type. The size of double data type is basically 64 bits or 8 bytes. Incapable of storing values that are comparative double in the size of the bytes that the float data type can be stored. This is the reason why is known as the double. Fourth one is the floating data type. Float data type is the 4 bytes. The size of the float data type is basically 32 bits and or 4 bytes. The float data type is a single presence in nature and we use the holding the decimal values. It helps in the storage of values, large values, but the float is comparative faster than double. It is here because double works with complementary with much large data values, thus is so slowly comparative. Fifth one is the void data types in 0 bytes. Since the void data type has no meaning, it have a no size at all, there is a range of values that comes under all of these data types. Must before we look into that, let's take a look at the modifiers that are used in the data types. Thanks for giving this wonderful opportunity.